Welcome to Cooking and Kringle, where it's Budget Meal Friday. We cook delicious meals that don't break the bank. Today we're going to make an easy lasagna. We're going to start by finely chopping one medium onion. To a skillet over medium heat, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now the oil's getting hot, we're going to add in the onion we diced. 1 pound of ground beef. Half a teaspoon of salt. And a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now we're going to break up the beef and we're going to cook for 6 to 8 minutes. Now with the beef fully cooked, we're going to cut off the heat. We're going to drain it. We're going to let it cool down for 5 minutes. We're going to take a 9x13. We're going to spread a thin layer of marinara sauce. We need 24 ounces of it. So either store-bought or homemade is fine. Little layer of it on there. Spread it out. Now we're going to take 4 to 5 lasagna noodles, not the oven ready, the regular noodles that need to be boiled, but we're not going to boil them. We're going to layer them on the bottom of the pan. Depending on the size of your pan, you may need 5. It's okay to break them if you need to, and they can overlap a little bit. We're going to add the rest of that sauce to our beef. We're going to mix it up. Now we're going to add 1 cup of ricotta cheese to the noodles. We're going to spread it out. Now we're going to add about 1.5 cups of the meat and the sauce mixture to the pan. Measure it out if you want to, make it easier. Now we're going to add about 1 cup of mozzarella. Now we're going to repeat this process with the noodles. We're going to add another 1 cup. Add another 1.5 cups of sauce. Give or take. And now we add another layer of noodles. Another cup of ricotta cheese. And now we'll add the rest of the sauce. We're going to bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees for 1 hour. We're going to check if it's done by inserting a knife. If it's not done, we're going to cover it and cook it for an additional 15. Now once it's cooked for an hour, or an hour and 15 minutes, depending on if it was done or not. It was done for me after an hour. We're going to spread 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. And now we're going to cook for 8 to 10 minutes to let the cheese get nice and bubbly. After the 10 minutes of the cheese cooking, we let it rest for 15 minutes. And then it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. It's really good. It cost us right at $15 to make, and it feeds 8 to 10 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.